mom is not at home. Okay, let me check the fridge. Sweet potato? And these are boiled sweet potato. I'm getting an idea with it. Oh, let me show you what I'm going to make. What else can we find? Oh, here are also some chopped vegetable and fruits. Now I can make a delicious recipe. Hi Kudoz, this is me Anika and welcome back to my YouTube channel Kudoz Craze. So as you all know that now I am starving and my mama is not at home. So today I am going to tell you how to make a very easy recipe with sweet potato, and my mama has a habit to cut and chop the fruits and keep them in the fridge. So today I am going to make sweet potato chaat, means Shakarkandi ki chaat. So let's get started. Now I am going to try this chaat prepared by me, and I hope it will taste delicious. Kudos, now I tried this chaat and this chaat tastes awesome and it tasted higher than my expectations, and kudos, this is the easiest and the healthiest way to prepare the chaat, and please try this recipe. And kudos, the flavor of the sweet potato with the all other things that we added in this chaat tastes awesome. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your family and friends. Okay, Kudos, now I'll see you in the next video. Bye.